Live from Midtown Atlanta, this is CBS 46 News at 4.
New warrants just released to show police have searched cell phones, computers, hard drives, and the home of Justin Harris. He is the father accused of leaving his toddler to die inside a hot car. And there's a new focus as well on whether his wife was involved.
She tells investigators, well, he must have left the baby in the car. Well, that's an automatic thing that she says, and that's kind of strange.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're glad you're with us. I'm Scott Light.
And I'm Tracy Hutchins. That prosecutor you just heard from says Cobb County police are leaving no stone unturned in trying to pin the murder of 22-month-old Cooper Harris on his father.
Investigators believe that Justin Harris's personal information can unveil a motive for the child's murder. CBS 46's Renee Starzyk has been following this case for us. She's live from the Cobb County Jail with the very latest. Renee?
Well, we certainly are learning more details about the investigation into Justin Harris. A judge denied him bond last week, and he remains locked up here at the Cobb County Jail. Those analyzing this very emotional case say every detail uncovered is key. Explosive testimony came out at a bond hearing for Justin Harris last week. He's accused of leaving his 22-month-old son Cooper in the backseat of his car for some 7 hours while he was at work. The child died in the sweltering heat. New warrants indicate police are now poring over computers, cell phones, everything to track the weeks and months leading up to the child's death.
There's no such thing as a delete. And so there's no such thing as that being able to delete searches and delete videos and things like that. There's a way to have it recovered. And it could be that in searching all of these different things, you may find something that somebody thought they got rid of.
Latonia Hines is a prosecutor with the Cobb County Solicitor's Office. She says there's new focus on Harris's wife, Leanna. She showed no emotion during last week's hearing, even chewing gum in court. The question still unanswered, was she in on Cooper's death?
I always say this, if you're going to do a crime, never do it with somebody else, because that's always somebody who can be a witness against you. So you don't know what might happen with her. I think it's very early right now. I mean, she could just be a grieving mother.
Hines says prosecutors could charge Leanna Harris, but need solid evidence. Like her husband, she did research on how a child dies in a hot car. Police are now poring over Cooper's medical records, too, looking for clues about the child's death.
And if for some reason there is proof that there's been past abuse or things like that, that's relevant. That's relevant because it shows that you're not opposed to hurting the child.
Now, testimony indicates Harris was sexting several women the day little Cooper died and that he was having marital and financial problems. Coming up next hour, why police even seized light bulbs from Harris's home. We are live in Marietta. Renee Starzyk, CBS 46 News.
And folks, if you would like to read all the details of the search warrants, click on the story on our website, CBS46.com. You'll find the video from last week's hearing there as well.